I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, December 5th, 2025. A long-stalled housing development in the north end of Kingston's Kings Court Rideau district appears ready to restart following a $15 million sale of the property. A Toronto-based development group purchased the 19-acre property at 311 Conacher Drive for $15 million in a deal that closed on Friday, November 28th. The housing development, known as Kingstown Subdivision, was in the works for about a decade until the previous owners ran into financial difficulty and the construction stalled, prompting the site to go into receivership in December 2023. Kingston may have lost out on landing the 2027 Memorial Cup Junior Hockey Tournament because of an aging score clock that hangs over the Slush Puppy Place, our flagship downtown arena. The nearly 10-year-old score clock doesn't have the video scoreboard and digital upgrades required by the CHL to host the prestigious national tournament. Following the apparent high-sticking call that scuttled the Memorial Cup bid, the city's solution is to spend $1 million to install a new score clock. Funding for the high-tech game equipment will come from Kingston's municipal accommodation tax, a 5% tax charged to guests who stay at local hotels, motels, and short-term rental accommodations. On Thursday, December 4th, 2025, an officer with the Kingston Police Community-Oriented Response and Enforcement Unit was assigned to the downtown area around 12:25 p.m. when the officer was notified of a theft that was in progress at a business on Princess Street. Kingston Police said that the officer was in the nearby area and promptly attended the business to apprehend the thief, who was in the process of stealing items. The accused person was known to police from previous theft incidents at the same business and was also bound by criminal conditions not to attend the location. Police have arrested and charged another 15 people with impaired driving-related charges in the 2025-26 Festive RIDE campaign in Eastern Ontario. These 15 arrests are on top of the 34 such arrests that occurred in the same region during the first week of the campaign, which began on Thursday, November 20th. The provincial police noted that with the Festive RIDE campaign running until January 1st, Eastern Ontario residents should expect to see RIDE programs day or night, 7 days a week. Kingston Police are celebrating the success of their annual Shop with a Cop event at the Cataraqui Centre. The event, which started more than a decade ago, was created to provide children in the Kingston community the opportunity to experience the joy of the holiday season by shopping for gifts with local police officers. This year, students and police officers descended on the Cataraqui Centre on Wednesday, December 3rd, to purchase gifts for the students and their families. A dozen or so grades 7 and 8 students participated in this year's seasonal shopping spree. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.